What's up, everybody? Before we start the video, I want to thank everybody who participated in that video where we talk about the YouTube earnings and stuff like that. I appreciate all the hashtags, all the cool comments, everybody who participated in that. Before we start the video, I wanted to go ahead and do this giveaway before we forget. I know it's Christmas, so enjoy the time with your family, guys. I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. Layla is here. She is my daughter. She actually helped me out and put all your guys' names in here. So good luck to you guys. We're gonna let her do the random picking. Let's see who wins. It's pretty cool. Little spin the wheel, little Price is Right. Guys, if you guys entered, your name should be in there. Let's spin the wheel, Layla. And the price is right. There it is right there. Congratulations, Chad Evans, bro. Hit me up if you're watching this video, man. Shoot me your address and shoot me an email so I can get this over to you. Congratulations once again, it's Chad Evans. I appreciate you guys. Hey everyone, what's up? Camaro time. Hopefully I can get a little bit of race maybe. Hopefully I'm gonna go meet a couple of the Camaro guys from the track club that we got out here. Goal is to actually lower the car today. That's the goal. But like I said, maybe we get some footage on this video of me just maybe some road races and stuff like that with these other ZL1s that we're gonna find out there maybe tomorrow morning. But let's go ahead and get back to the video and let's lower this thing. We're actually gonna lower it because I don't like this huge gap in between here. And not only that, I want to improve the understeer on the car, try to eliminate some of that understeer and then bring the car down at the same time. Now I am a little bit sketched out just because these cars sit so low as it is, so I'm not sure how that's going to improve the drivability as far as day-to-day stuff, but we'll find out, right? So let's lower that thing. Let's see if we can close that gap up a little bit, and I'll put a before picture here. Obviously this is our before shot, and then we'll do an after shot and see how it looks, right? Well, you guys, I'm wondering if I should even remove the wheel, because in all honesty, we almost can do it with the wheel on almost, I think. I mean, it'd be a little harder, but we can try. So what it is that these coilovers have a little like Allen set screw on the backside. So it has an Allen set screw on the backside. We got to take that, loosen it, and then this chuck right here, this ring, we got to take that, maybe stick a screwdriver in here and spin it. So if you lower this chuck here, this ring, it'll basically lower the spring or lower the actual coilover. So in theory, it lowers the car. So let's try that real quick. Let me see if I can get that Allen screw off real quick without taking the wheel off. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and set this one up. This one's kind of set there. I lowered it. What I ended up doing, obviously don't ever take that screw all the way out, but you see I just used the Allen wrench also just to put it in those holes and help me turn the ring. Now what I did is I turned it a full 360 degrees all the way around one time and referenced that bolt where we started at, and then I went another half of turn. So I did a full rotation and then half of a rotation, and that'll kind of give us a starting point. So we'll do that on both sides and see what the car looks like as far as stance goes. So I will tighten that bolt up. Matter of fact, I won't even tighten it yet. Yeah, we're not going to tighten it quite yet, just in case we got to make some adjustments. So I'll lower it and see what it looks like real quick. We're gonna drop it like it's hot. Let's see. Gotta let it settle. All right, so I went ahead and actually adjusted this one without you guys, make it a little faster. Got that one in there. So what I did, same thing, I did 3 turns, 3 full turns, and we'll set it on the ground, and then we'll actually drive it off the driveway because it's at an incline. So we'll let the suspension settle as well and see what it actually looks like. Hopefully it'll be lower, but it's going to be more of a challenge getting out the driveway. So I also went ahead and set this back into just regular street mode. Put that back, that setting back, eliminated the track camber, because that track camber gives you about another 1 point negative of camber, so almost like -3 degrees of camber when you actually have it in that mode. So let's lower this car real quick. See here, drop it like it's hot. Ooh. What do you guys think? Does it look lower? I think it does. Definitely looks lower, but we gotta let that suspension settle a little bit. And then, whoa, 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 get your ass back over here. Damn, Gina. Almost lost that. Okay. Let me pull it off the driveway and see what it looks like. So we got it off the incline, and it definitely made a huge difference. I mean, look at the gap now in the wheelbase. It's just, it fits way better now. I mean, that gap is gone for the most part. I mean, I can go a little bit lower, but I'm not going to, not on this stock setup. But we literally lost about a ½ an inch drop there. I mean, we came down, I should say, ½ an inch compared to what it was. If you guys remember the picture here, I'll post it there. We had it when it was stock height, but these tires are also a little bit smaller than the original ones because we could not find the other ones in stock. They're slightly smaller, but not much. But it looks good. I think that also helped improve the understeer as well. But it looks pretty good. I think I like it a lot better than what it used to be. Definitely that should work. Guys, totally forgot to film an outro on that Camaro drop, but hope you guys liked it. Hope the information helps you guys, my Camaro guys. I definitely want to make some more content for the Camaro, but we're trying to wrap up these old school builds first. So be patient with me, guys. If you guys are here for the Camaro content, I do appreciate you guys. We should have some more content coming soon. But guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. And you guys already know, stay wrenching.